So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable macros in any iOS and Android. So for this guys, first of all, we have to go to Play Store as we are using a third-party application and then search for Trick button here. So as you guys see on the very top, we have the application, name of the application, without Trick FF, it means Trick for Free Fire, and then click to install. So after installing, just click open and just select the language. Here I'm selecting English, and then click to enable it. Tap allow, and all you guys have to do, just allow this Trick button. Now go back and then click to default. So as you see, this is how we can use a macros in any iOS device. Where we can also customize its color and any other thing like this. We can change border, we can set button size, we can set opacity level from this. So that's how we can enable macros in any iOS and Android device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.